Hello students, so let us continue with part 2 of assignment 5A. This time round selected questions from exercise 5B, word problems, right? So here we have a question where we have the sum of four consecutive odd numbers is 56, and we want to find the greatest of the four number. So what I can do is I can first define, right? Let x be the greatest. Oops, I spelled greatest wrongly. Let me try that again. Greatest of the four numbers. Okay, so what this means is that the other numbers will be x minus 2, x minus 4, and x minus 6, right? So now what I'm going to do is the sum. Okay, so we have x plus x minus 2 plus x minus 4 plus x minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four numbers equals to 56. So adding them up together, we will have 4x minus 12 equals to 56. Right? 4x will be equals to 68. That means x divided by 4 here will be 17. There we go. Right? So you may want to add, therefore, the greatest of the four numbers is 17. Right? Now, moving on to the next example. When the number x, okay, this time round they define x for us, right? When the number x is multiplied by 4, then subtracted from 68, the result is the same as 3 times the sum of x plus 4, x and 4. So let's find x. So what happened is x multiplied by 4 is actually 4x, right? And it's subtracted from 68. That means 68 subtract 4x, and it's equals to 3 times the sum of x plus 4. So that's how our equation will look like, right? So simplifying this, 68 minus 4x equals to 3x plus 12. Negative 7x will be equals to, let me see where's my calculator. 12 minus 68 give me negative 56. So x negative 56 divided by negative 7, that will give us the answer 8. And the answer is find x, we have x equals to 8, so that will be fine, right? Right. Final example, a man is 6 times as old as his son. 12 years later, the man will be twice as old as his son. Find the age of the man when his son was born. So we can start by let's define the variable first. Let the age of the man be x years old, right? So let's start with that. So the man is 6 times as old as his son. That means the son will be x over 6, right? So the 20 years later, right? So 20 years later, the man will be x plus 20, right? And the son is going to be x over 6, right, plus 20. However, the man will be twice as old as his son. So this is actually 2 times. So this is the equation. So let's take a look again. The man's age is x. So 20 years later, he'll be x plus 20 years old. Now the son is x over 6, right? Because he's 6 times less, not as old as his father. Then 20 years later, will be x over 6 plus 20. But that number is actually, you need to multiply by 2 to get the age of the man. So you multiply by 2. Okay, so this is our equation. Let's simplify. So we have x plus 20 equals to, this will be x over 3 plus 40. Oops, 40. So putting them together, we have 2/3 x is equals to 20. X is equals to 30. So that means the man is 30 years old now, right? So we are not quite done. We're not quite done because the answer actually asks for the age when the son is born. Therefore, Okay, we need to write down age of man when his son was born is actually equals to his current age minus, right, the age of his son. So this is actually 5/6 of x. Okay, since x is 30, this will be 5/6 of 30, resulting in 25 years old. There we go. Hope you have been successful. Have a nice day.